everyone. I had to get up super early. I don't sleep well, as you know. Had to get up super early. I had to take my daughter to the dentist. She's had problems with her tooth for about 10 years. It's been filled and refilled and reshaped. She's done. Ain't nobody got $3,000 for a root canal. So I had to get up early. I just threw powder on my face, a little mascara, and a little bit of cream mascara that I had in my wallet that was a violet color and have in my bag. So basically, that's all I did. I did the powder at home, did a little bit of eyeshadow mascara, and it was all for nothing. What I went through, it wasn't really that bad, but I was anxious because I wanted to get there on time. I knew it took me exactly 30 minutes to get there. So I get up at 8, hurry up and get ready, leave the house about 8:25, get on the highway, and there was an accident. So I had to take the streets and I'm bobbing and weaving to get there. I was there 5 minutes late. And, but they took her right away. And then what happened was that they gave her antibiotics, but we thought it was just in case if there was an infection. And my daughter was just forgetting to take it, and we went there, and unfortunately, the gums were so swollen, they couldn't even wiggle the tooth out. So, after I went through all of that, now they have to reschedule me. They don't have any openings. She's in pain, so they're going to try and squeeze me in next week, and they still haven't called me to give me a day and time. So I was just, let me just do a video. I got some powder on my face. I already got some purple on my lid. Let me just do a video. Anyway, I noticed that my videos, the lighting isn't great because one of my lights burned out. And I was at Home Depot, and I didn't know what kind of light I was supposed to get or nothing, so. Anyway, many people are complaining that this lavender just goes on pink, but that's what I'm wearing. It is super soft. It looks like it's breaking from the pressure. Okay, here goes. So I tried my hair again. I was watching Aislinn, and she wanted to make her hair pastel, so she says she used Pulp Riot conditioner, but she added, the Pulp Riot is very creamy, and so she said she added a lot more of it, and because she said I think the Opal came out in one wash, or she went swimming or something, and it just came right out. So she did it that way, and I'm gonna go with this dark purple right here. So she says she did it, and it looked real nice on her. So I tried it. I put up much more coloring this time. I used Kiss Express still because I have a lot. I still have at least half a bottle left of all the colors. So I did Kiss Express, and it still didn't. It does have more color than last time, but anyway, it does look nice. It looks like when women get a wash of color on their white, it's pretty, but it's the yellow just looks like blonde. The blue, which is the worst color to get out, didn't even take, and I made it strong. And green hair in the back. It just, I think I'm done with that. So this week I'm going to see if I could get those other brights. So I'm taking this color up here for the highlight color. So I think what I'm going to try with this is just, the embossament's going to come out, I know, but it's Jessie and I forgot, and Mario Lopez. She says, "You macho pig," and Mario says, "Oink, oink, baby." That's probably going to come out. But I think what I'm going to do is use this brush and just wipe it together, stroke it together, and then just see how that goes. All right. Oh, okay. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. So I'm gonna be honest, I'm scared. I do not like lip plumpers. I heard that these sting very little, but I'm just gonna show you how it looks on camera. Did I get the right color? I did not. This is the plum color. The other one is more pink. Not bad. Goes on smooth enough. Okay, I'm scared. Tastes like, or smells like bubble gum. Okay, it's what this reminds me of is, I think Avon, and I think it was Avon used to sell, they had, I think, a chapstick and a lip gloss that had a mint to it, and that was supposedly going to give you good breath. I'm not crazy about the mint, but it's not tingling me. It just tastes like mint. Let me try the mascara. It's curved. Now, I already have the Wet n Wild, the Rose All Day mascara. And I just threw it in my bag and put it on while they were numbing my daughter. But I have to say, with that other mascara under it, it's making my lashes nice, I have to say. Alright, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. So, hey everybody, this is the finished look. I tried the Kabuki brush. I like to use it for powder. And I liked it. I really liked it. Anyway,